Hi children, now I will show you how to send homeworks and assignments in Teams. Previously I sent some of my videos, YouTube videos and my PowerPoint presentations on the same topic, but still some of the students are getting confusion in sending homeworks, and the number of assignments I was receiving are also not up to the mark. So once again I would like to give you a detailed description of sending homeworks and assignments in Teams. Suppose this is a team. So this is a sample team. This is a sample team here. So log in with some ID, and the team ID, the team is named as recordings. So if you go to the general here, you will find three tabs. Like in the topmost, you will find three tabs like posts, files, and more. So now if you go to the option more, you will find three options like assignments, notes, and class notebooks and grades here. For doing homeworks, what you need to select is you must select class notebook. For this, you need to have OneNote also installed on your mobile with same user ID and password you are using for Teams. See here, you are just what you need to do is you need to select class notebook to open. So this will take you to the class notebook page. So this is the class notebook. Collaboration space, content library. Content library is the notes which is shared to you by the teacher. Teachers will share you some notes, documents, on important materials. So all this will be displayed in the content library. And this is the student name of your, suppose you see here you will find your name. And there are four tabs like quiz, homework, class notes, and handouts. So currently we are discussing on homework. So if you select the homework page here, all the homeworks given will be shown here. See, suppose this is the sample homework. I am opening this 22nd 9 2020 sample homework. Suppose I am opening this. So there is some work given by the teacher here. Complete the exercise and draw an equilateral triangle. Some spelling mistake maybe there. Sorry. Draw the equilateral triangle with the length of side 5 meters. And another homework also will be there. So that is an untitled homework given by the teacher. So also I am selecting here. Complete the exercise in page number. So so what is the thing you need to do is you must write your homework on your homework book and neatly. Just you know what you need to do is you press anywhere on the screen. Just you press just a long press. Just what you need to do is suppose this is the screen. This is the screen. Apart from the work where it is the homework is given on any part of the screen. So in the white space which is shown on the screen, just a long press. So here some options will be there, camera option will be there, a mic option will be there, and a tick box option will be there. So another some options will be there here. So what you need to do is you need to press the camera option and you can upload a file from here. So after pressing here, what you need to do is you need to press anywhere on the screen. Suppose this is the work where the teacher gave you, and in the white region anywhere you can press to upload your homework. Just you need to do one long press. So some options will open in the keypad, just like as camera option, mic option, and some more options are there. So what you need to do here is, suppose I'm pressing the camera option here. So it will ask me how to upload the work, whether I have to upload from the work already I have saved in my library, or I need to take a picture. Suppose here I was trying to add a work from a library. So already I have a photo of my work, image of my work. So I am pressing from library here. It will ask me to the select one of the image from my mobile. So I am selecting one of the image and I'm pressing done. I press done here, so that image will be inserted here. So if you want to add more works here, you can add image here from here, and you can add it from the gallery. If you want to add the image from the gallery, you can press on this here, or if you want to take a photo also, you can add one photo, take one photo of your work. And after uploading all the works, here an option will be coming as done. So you need to press done when once the whole work is completed, all your works are uploaded. So this will send your homework to the teachers, so teachers will review them and send you after correction. So this is how you can send homeworks using OneNote. But unfortunately, in Android versions, OneNote supports only one user account. That means only the homeworks of one child can be uploaded by using OneNote. Suppose if you are having more than one child at your home, like if you are having any other elder brother or younger brother or sisters, so you need to have two accounts, which will become a problem again. So for this, what you need to do is, for the one child, you can upload their homeworks by using one directly from the OneNote app, while for the second child, what you need to do is you need to open OneNote from the Google Chrome. You need to open the Google Chrome, and in the Google Chrome, in the Google Chrome app, you need to open microsoft.com. that is, you can open as OneNote. You can type onenote.com and you can press enter. So here it will ask you to sign in with OneNote. So you can use the second account here. For the first account, you can use directly in the mobile app, and for the second one, if you are having more than one child, so for uploading the homeworks of the second child, you need to log in from the Google Chrome app. So here I am pressing sign in. So you need to enter the details of your the second student. Suppose I am student 4 at the rate. So I enter the ID and you enter the password you are having. So this will take you to the login page. So you press yes here and prompted. So this is the one notebook. Here you can select the class notebook of your child. So suppose as told in the previous homeworks, so this is the class notebook which you are using right now, recordings notebook. So I am opening this one to check the homeworks again. See, let me open it. So it is taking to me to the homework space. Okay, so you press on this arrow here, you press on this arrow, it will show you the class notebook. So this is the one student for what so here it is actually showing the notebooks of other classes also. So actually I created the notebooks other students also in this, that's why it is showing like that. But for you, only the student which you entered, the ID for which you entered only will be shown here. Suppose it is student 4, so I am checking what are the works for him. So I am pressing, and so it will open like this. But actually as the mobile screen is very small, you cannot find the entire page here. So for this I request you to flip the mobile, like this. Okay, to flip the mobile like this, and here you will find the page, So after selecting the page here, after selecting the homework also here, see, after selecting this here, the homework, you can directly select the homework. So the homeworks will be shown here. So after getting the homeworks, you can just flip the mobile like this. So if you flip the mobile, you can see the screen which shows the entire homework. So you can slide down from the left side. So you can, if you can press here, your homework will be open in the next page here. So after your homework is opened, you can put your mobile in a normal mode. You can put your mobile in the normal mode. When you flip the mobile in the normal mode, your homework will be shown here. But instead of, in the previous video, what we did is just we press anywhere on the screen like this to get the camera to be enabled. But here it is not the option like that. You need to press on the insert. So you can put your mouse here. You can put your mouse anywhere on the screen, and you just press insert. It will show as what is the thing you want to insert, whether it is a file or a picture. Generally we attach pictures from the mobile or from the camera. So I am pressing the picture. So it will ask you from where you want to attach the file, that is from file or from camera. File is the image which is already saved in your gallery, or if you want to attach from the camera also, you can do it. Suppose I am selecting from file, it will ask you choose file. So I will select the choose file. Again it will ask you from photo library or take a photo. In the first I will upload it from the photo library. See, it will I am uploading my work and choose. So it got inserted, and I am pressing on insert. And in the meanwhile it upload. If you want to upload another picture also, you can do it as, you can go to the photos again, and you can go to the pictures again, and you can go to the from file, you can press choose file. So now I'm taking a photo. Just the previously I uploaded a photo from my images. Now I will take a photo. See, it will ask you to access the camera. You give the permission for it. You give a permission for the camera to access your photos. So now the camera is accessing my work. So just I am taking a photo of it, and if you want to crop it, you can crop it. Otherwise, if you want to retake also, you can take. And I am using the photo, and press insert. You can press the insert and press done here. In the app, after uploading all the homeworks, you need to press done to send the homework. But in the web application, that means when you open the app in the browser, no need to send work to the teacher. It will be sent to the teacher automatically. So I hope all the students understood the sending of homeworks. If you are having any doubts, you can feel free to contact your branch HM on their mobile.